Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through my maintenance routine, a full hair, skin and body care session where I refresh, nourish and reset everything. Starting with my pre-hair care routine, I start by making sure that my hair is properly prepped. First, I gently detangle my hair using a neem wooden comb. This prevents breakage and ensures my hair stays healthy. I have already oiled my scalp a day prior with my favorite Indivine Jumpy Hair Oil, which is great for strengthening and nourishing the hair. Next, I apply this ordinary glycolic acid toner to my scalp. This is my secret step for the scalp exfoliation. It helps clear any product buildup and promote healthier flake-free hair growth. Plus, if you struggle with dandruff like me, this product is really beneficial. For extra nourishment, I mix the hair mask with the Minimalist Bond Repair Serum and apply it to my hair. This deeply hydrates and repair damage, making my strands feel softer and smoother after every wash. While my hair treatment is working its magic, I move on to skincare prep. First, I cleanse my face using the Bioderma micellar water. It removes dirt, excess oil and any impurities without stripping my skin. Today, I'm using this applicator to remove all my facial hair, but if you are a sensitive skin person, I wouldn't recommend this to you. Instead, you can opt for different hair removal options. Now to soothe and calm my skin, I'm using this Pink Foundry Pore Refining and Soothing Clay Mask which help unclog pores and control excess oil, perfect for the summer. Then I'm moving on to body maintenance. I start by mixing the Wellness Shop Chocolate Body Wax and apply it for a gentle and effective hair removal. It's literally pain-free, plus it also removes the tan and dead skin cells, which is a huge plus. Once I'm done with this step, I massage my whole body with the Johnson's baby oil to restore the hydration. Recently, I've started incorporating dry brush my body. This helps with lymphatic drainage, exfoliation and improves circulation. Now onto my shower routine. I'm starting by washing my hair with the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Trust me, you only need a coin size of amount and it lathers so well. Remove all the buildup and make my hair super manageable and healthy. Then I'm using my regular Redken Extreme Strength Builder Plus hair mask, then leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes, followed by the Anomaly Shine Conditioner. These products are regular onto my haircare routine and I think it's great for low porosity hair. To cleanse my body, I firstly going in with the Dove Cream Bar Soap and finishing with the Almond Shower Oil by Asaya. After shower, I lock in all the hydration and moisture by mixing the Vaseline Gluta-hya serum in lotion with Plum body oil. This combo makes my skin feel deeply hydrated, soft and glowy. Plus the vanilla fragrance lingers onto my body for the whole day. For underarms, I'm using the Juicy Chemistry Underarm Deodorant which has a refreshing citrusy scent. And for an extra touch of fragrance, I spread on the Plum Vanilla Body Mist. For my skincare, I'm using this Numbuzin No. 3 toner pads to tone my skin and give an extra boost of hydration. To keep my lips soft, I'm using the Face Shop Lip Slipping Mask which is literally my favorite. It leaves my lips plump and hydrated all day. Then I'm going in with the Cosrx Snail Mucin for that glass-like glow, deep moisture and skin repair, followed by the Beauty of Johnson sunscreen which protects and nourishes my skin without leaving a white cast. It has rice in it which is my favorite ingredient for brightening the complexion. Now that my hair has been washed and toweled down, firstly I apply the Redken Acetic Fondant Concentrate Leave-In Treatment which helps strengthen and repair my hair. Then I take a few drops of Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil and apply it to my ends for adding that shine and protection, and then I let my hair air dry naturally. To complete my maintenance routine, I finally do my nails with my favorite Zudio nail paint. And that's wrap up my ultimate maintenance routine. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.